You guys know I tried plenty of steaks in my life, but I never tried Kobe A5.
Steak, which is claimed the best in the world. Today I'm gonna try the being in Kobe. So amazing! My name is Kacper Salzman and I'm the professional grill master. In my free time I travel around the world looking for real food made with fire. So what's the deal with the Kobe beef anyway? First of all, it's Wagyu. Wagyu is the name of a breed which was invented by Japanese a long time ago. Right now you can find Wagyu all around the world, in Australia, America and also in Poland where I came from. But people in Japan say that in Kobe it tastes different because it's treated in a different way. They massage these cows, they live without any stress. The cows are listening to Mozart and they are fed in a very special way. That's where the marble comes from. And A5 is the degree of marbling. It's the highest degree. So today you cannot get any better than this. I'm in Kobe and I'm eating A5.
In Kobe you can buy Kobe beef everywhere, either as a street food or in a fancy restaurant. I've chosen Sai Dining, recommended by Japanese YouTubers. That was a small, really elegant place. I loved the vibe of it from the very beginning. Guests are sitting directly at Japanese teppanyaki grills. There are only a few of those in a restaurant, each having one grill master exclusively for up to 6 people. I felt like I was in some secret underground beef lovers club. Felt like home. It took a while to establish what's the best choice to order. Eventually, I took the whole tasting menu with the Kobe A5 sirloin steak as a main dish. First cold starters arrived really quickly. Salmon sashimi on a salad from Japanese yam and apple, and Kobe beef roast with an aubergine and plenty of Asian herbs.
Thank you. Arigato. Can I eat this?
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
This is Japanese herb shiso. Shiso flower.
This is shisa. Okay. Oh yeah, it is. Very tasty.
What part of the cow is it? Udo.
Yes.
Side. I know. Okay.
That was one of the muscles of beef round. And it was delicious. It's sour and full of soy sauce umami. Salmon was great too. No surprise, Osaka is a seafood paradise.
Fantastyczne.
In the meantime, 2 stars of the evening appeared. Grill master and the steak. You may think that was too early for the beef, but not in Japan. Here everything happens for a reason. Steak was put next to the grill. Grill master has just started cooking it. Here, meat temperature will slowly rise within the next couple of hours. It will speed up the grilling and make the meat more moist, fibers more relaxed when treated with a high temperature, and fat softer, half melted and full of buttery flavors. Beef mastery. But together with the meat appeared some vegetables. This is a very important element on the menu, because side dining staff are not only experts on the beef, but they are also really proud to call themselves vegetable sommeliers. They always have a seasonal and very special selection of greens. They use only highest quality products, but also they pay special attention to preparing it. My grill master started his show. First a bit of oil, and onion was first to say hello to teppanyaki.
Awaji Island onion, very famous because very sweet. Maybe #1 onion in Japan.
Next, Hokkaido potato.
It's a very sweet potato, but not a sweet potato.
Okay.
And the radish. I had to know everything. I even checked the temperature of this grill. To do it, I used my built-in thermometer, so the result is really accurate. In the center, this surface has more or less 200 degrees Celsius, but around this spot there's an indirect zone with a lower temperature. In these areas, grill master will later cook vegetables, and next to this zone my steak was already warming up. But not only a meat. Take a look, where is he putting his spatulas? In Europe, in Michelin-star restaurants, someone would probably burn him with his spatula. It really happened in the past. And here, this is just another improvement. Tools are supposed to be warm. That's why they are kept there in a warm spot of teppanyaki. To accumulate the temperature, master is using special cover. After every action, grill is being neatly cleaned. The simple task was already performed like a beautiful ballet dance. This is Japan. Next, soup was served. Pumpkin potage was full of umami and pumpkin sweetness.
Pumpkin potage. White line manufactured cream.
Really amazing soup.
Oh, really?
I really love it.
The vegetables were on a grill for a while now, and in the meantime, fig and pak choi have joined the party. Fig was put in indirect temperature zone and pak choi in the center of teppanyaki with a bit of steam. Each vegetable was cooked in a different way. This is why I love Japan. And finally, the time has come for that. This is a Kobe A5 sirloin steak.
How would you like to be cooking?
How do you suggest?
Yeah.
Medium is fine?
Today,
Medium rare?
Medium, a little bit under is better.
A little bit under. Okay, let's do it a little bit under. I'll eat any degree that you give me. you can give me it's rare. I will eat it. Okay.
In most of the places in Kobe we have two options for a steak. Big one, 160 grams, and a small one, 80. First, they really don't eat much, and second thing, this steak consists mostly of fat. You really feel full after such piece. But obviously I ordered the bigger small steak, 160, but my master started grilling from fat cap. Now you get why the spatula has to be warm. That was beautiful too. At first I thought he will use this fat for frying the steak, but then it turned out he just made a separate dish of it. Fried pork fat glazed with soy sauce and brandy. In the meantime, I've got some salad. But I was already so excited I remember hardly anything of it. Sorry.
Really good.
As a main side for a steak, I was being served with ponzu, sauce based on a soy sauce and citrus. Today made with yuzu, fruit very typical for Japan.
Okay. Sorry, I will try this. Oh, yeah, really good. I love ponzu.
Okay.
I will have to buy this before I go home. It's really tasty.
Present for you. Present for you. Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much. It's awesome. It's really nice of you. Thank you.
What a beautiful gift. Vegetables were almost done. We are getting closer to the headliner. Now real magic has begun. Let's watch Master of Beef at work in silence. And again, warm tools. It turned out that Kobe beef indeed is being massaged. Only when it's being put on a grill, but still. This massage lasted for a couple of minutes. Temperature of teppanyaki was medium high. There's no rush here. Here, the outcome must be perfect. 3 to 4 minutes later came time for the only flip of the steak during whole cooking. Take a look at this crust. And the massage. This show must go on. After the next 2 minutes, something unexpected happened. Steak was being put on a tray again, and whole teppanyaki has been cleaned. Now was the time for a spectacular ending.
I eat plenty of steaks every week, and I was always dreaming to come to Kobe and to try this. Okay, so now without salt and soy, just plain. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Good.
So good. Now the salt only. It's buttery aftertaste.
Oh yeah.
So good. The marbling, yeah? Now with ponzu, you say meat with ponzu, yeah?
Ponzu, yes.
Very good. But I prefer ponzu with vegetables.
Yeah.
Meat, just salt.
Oh, that's sort of.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So see you next week.
See you. Or tomorrow.
Fried sirloin fat turned out to be second star of this show.
This is good.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I think so.
Yeah, it's so good.
I think so. You want any more?
Oh yeah, please. Yes, please, rice. Yeah, okay.
Do you eat wasabi?
I can try with wasabi, yeah. Thank you.
What was next? Just a typical grill master to grill master talk.
Tell me one thing. Kobe beef is breeded in a special way, yeah? But are these cows drinking beer or not?
Yeah.
They are not.
Yeah.
Okay. And Mozart?
Maybe sometimes.
Do they listen to Mozart?
Mozart, listen Mozart.
Yeah? They do. Okay.
Maybe good. Wasabi is just wasabi. But with meat, It's sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Tasty good.
Actually.
I like the hanger and outside cut.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah.
But for me, hanger steak. I ate 2 days ago in Osaka.
Osaka hanger.
It was so delicious.
Yeah, I think so.
Really good. Oh my god. This is what I love about Japan. The whole ritual. Kobe beef is bred in a very special way, and Japanese people believe that also serving this beef should be very special, and that's what they did today. Really amazing.
I was left with an empty plate, cute dessert, and one thought. Have I just experienced the most amazing culinary event of my life?
So was it really the best steak I've ever tried? Well, honestly speaking, I've eaten plenty of steaks, really a lot. From Poland, but also from all around the world, America, Australia. And honestly speaking, yes, it was one of the best. Top 3, let's say, maybe the best. But concerning the whole theater, the whole ritual that they are doing around this steak, that was the best experience I've ever had concerning steaks. Really unbelievable. This dude grilling the steak, he knew exactly what to do with his tools. He knew the timing, he knew his product, he knew his fucking shit. And this is what you need if you have a really top product. You have to be experienced dude that knows his shit. And the whole ritual, this is what I love Japan for. I've seen some Michelin star restaurants, and I must say, I enjoy theater sometimes. I feel like it's not my place, like 100%, but I really like this stuff. And honestly speaking, yes, it was the best steak in the world. Thanks guys, take care.
If you love Asia like I do, subscribe so that you won't miss the videos from Vietnam coming soon.